Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to a new lesson. Our lesson today in our book, Mega Goal 1 for the first secondary students. Our lesson today is the last and the third lesson in the unit intro. Let's start. Get ready with your book and your notebook. Listen to the conversation and identify the attitude feeling of. The receptionist, when she answered the phone, the caller at the beginning and at the end of the call, how do you know? Receptionist. Dental Health Center. Good morning. Morning. This is Meg Phillips. I'd like to make an appointment, please. Of course, Miss Phillips. Let me see. The doctor is available on Monday and Wednesday afternoon from 5 to 6 next week. I see it's rather urgent. I'm afraid. Could I see her sooner? I'm in a lot of pain. I'm sorry to hear that, Mrs. Phillips. I'll see what I can do. I'm afraid she's booked up. I am afraid she's booked up today and tomorrow. Let me have a word with her and I get back to you. Thank you. I'll wait. Hello, Mrs. Phillips. Can you make this morning in about an hour? There's been a cancellation. Yes, of course. Thank you so much. You're welcome. We'll be expecting you in an hour. Now, as you have noticed, that this conversation is about making an appointment. But what are expressions and phrases we should use to make an appointment? To make an appointment, we can use, I'd like to make an appointment. Can I make an appointment? The receptionist or the one you want to make an appointment at replies, the doctor or Dr. Ahmed, for example, is available on Monday, Tuesday from 5 to 7 p.m. and so on. So, you begin your words or your speech by asking for an appointment. And the other one or the receptionist replies determining the time and the days available for the one you want to make an appointment as. The one you want to make an appointment at. Okay? And some discussion are expected to happen after that, such as if you want to be sooner, if the doctor is available at a better time for you, and so on. Such as, when it's possible to see him or her sooner, you have an excuse because of a soon pain or a soon matter, and so on. Now, we are going to transfer to another point of our lesson today, which is related to pronunciation. Listen, note the rising or falling intonation. As we have said in the last or in the previous lesson, that there are two main factors while speaking. We have 4 skills in our language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. While using the skill of speaking, you should take care of 2 main factors, which are intonation and the volume. Intonation, when you should raise the intonation, when you fall it, when you raise the volume, when you go it up, when you put it down, and so on. Today we are talking about the intonation specifically. Listen, note the rising or falling intonation. Could I see him sooner? Could I see him sooner? It's a question. So the intonation goes rising. I see what I can do. I see what I can do. The intonation goes falling because it's a statement again. Okay? Now, another point for our lesson that we have learned through our conversation and our lesson today is some vocab as usual. Feeling. Feeling. To feel something. There's a very important difference between feeling and emotion. Emotion, something naturally in a person towards something, but feeling when the matter of someone or something touches you, in you. Attitude, your deed or your reaction towards something, or your behavior towards something such as fashion and so on, or relationship. Appointment, to make an appointment or an appointment to have a date at some place such as a clinic, appointment with a doctor, appointment with your teacher and so on. Urgent, say something is or something that can't be delayed, something must be due as soon as it can be. Available related to people that he is not occupied now. He is free and waiting for you and you can meet him. Available for things that are available in the market, for example. You can find it easily and so on. So the most important vocab we have learned from this lesson are feeling, attitude, appointment, urgent, and available. Let's transfer into the last point of our lesson today, that we have a flashback to our lesson, functions related to making an appointment, and we have learned the expressions and the suitable words we use to make an appointment. Another thing is the pronunciation point related to rising and falling intonation. Now your turn to practice and to test your information, to test your understanding. Role play conversation like one above with a partner. Use phrases from the box to express how to make an appointment. Then switch rules. Decide about the following first. Now you are going to imagine the conversation as it is an act or as a real. Who you want to make an appointment with? E.g., for example, doctor, manager, supervisor, etc. Times and days you are or the person is available. So you have the question and the answer as well, and so on. Finally, reason for the appointment you have to mention in the conversation. That's for now. I wish you have good use from this lesson. Waiting for you for the next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
مدارس رياض الصالحين، مستقبل واعد لجيل صاعد.